Hello and hi, and a very warm welcome from my side to all of you who have shown that much of trust and excitement for my these mentorship sessions. I am here to help you all, guide you all, and make you all understand that achieving good marks and achieving a rank is not that very difficult if you have got a good set of mind and a strategy to pass. Okay, so you are going to clear CS executive in first attempt. We are going to all have that mindset with us. Okay, and we are going to follow whatever we are going to discuss in these sessions. Okay, so basically, for those who don't know me, I am CS Fatima Kagalwala. I am an all India rank holder in CS professional level. Okay, so for you all must be thinking, how ma'am, how you all have got this, how could you have achieved this rank and all. So I am going to give you all the tips slowly. Okay, so as and when we move on for this, and this is the very first session of my mentorship. Okay, and I'm very excited because this is going to build up our rapport, and we are going to have such sessions more in the upcoming days until we give our papers in December 2024. Okay, so keep sharing this link, let all your friends and students join. Now, as I told you all, this is my first mentorship session, and what is my objective behind keeping this type of sessions? See, one very important thing is that due to this online classes, and we are all kind of away from each other, we really don't have that one person whom you can go to and understand and talk that okay, we are facing this problem, or this is what we have done, we achieved this so well, or we are not able to take up our lessons or studies in time, we are not able to solve a particular sum or something which is really there and is there in your mind. It is there where you want somebody to listen to and understand and guide you. So mentoring is basically, I am here to motivate you all, advise you all. Okay, so that that motivation and directions, okay, are going to help you succeed. Now for that, what are the inputs which I need is that you all also have to set up a goal. You all have to be very supportive as to whatever is being done in the session, or I ask you to do the training which I am going to provide you all. Okay, so you all are supposed to support me. Okay, there will be coaching, there will be certain live lectures also, which also we will come and we will be teaching your live. You all have to attend that so that you get a better understanding of that subject concept. So that is going to be a separate thing altogether. Okay, we will be announcing that also very soon, that when we are coming live for which subjects and topics. But right now what I am here for is motivating you all and advising you all how to go about studying with your all the subjects. Okay, so now I need to know you all. For that I also need to know that what are you all exactly doing. So you all have to be supportive and also answer my questions. Now how are you all going to answer my questions is through the Google Forms. Okay, I'm going to put up the Google Forms in the WhatsApp link. So please join, ask your friends also to join the WhatsApp group. Okay, so there will be a link given in the description of this video. Please join there. There will be a Google form put up on that group. In that Google form, I'll come to know more about you all. Whether you all are from old syllabus, new syllabus, whether you all are giving group 1 or group 2, whether you all are giving both the groups, what is your aspiration, what is your goal, what are you looking at yourself after some months down the line. Okay, so I need to know a little bit more about you so that I'm able to guide you better. Correct? So don't forget to fill the Google forms. I'm going to review these forms and accordingly act upon it. Right? Now once these Google forms will be built, what is going to help is we are going to do a community building. So community building helps you grow step by step. It is not a overnight process. Okay, so it is a step by step process. Once I will have a set of students where I know they are from old, some from new, old group, old syllabus, new one group, group 2, both groups, I will be knowing as to what targets can we set over there and how we are going to achieve it. Okay, so some fun building activities, some discussion, group discussions, certain targets, studying a subject, giving the test when I am here with you all that can only be possible if I will be able to build up a community amongst all of us. Okay, so we are here to encourage one another. You all also have to encourage me, and I will be encouraging you all. So it is going to be a two-way process. Okay, it is not going to be anywhere one way that I am just teaching you all and you all are studying and you all are gone. No, that is not going to happen in my sessions. Okay, so we are here, encourage each other. Okay, build each other up. Okay, we have to take everyone up together with us. I am here to take you all with me together. So I am really looking forward for this. I have been aiming for doing something like this and reaching out to those students who really need these type of guidance. Okay, so and I am here today, and the best part is it is totally free of cost. Okay, there are many people who are there around teaching you all, showing you all what has to be done, but not helping you all on how it has to be done, and they charge you. Okay, so this is my dream, and I want you all also to achieve your dream, and that dream has made me come here, reach up to you all, and we are going to build up each other and take each other together. So for me, this one phrase, okay, this is very it is very important for me, and I always keep reading this. You only fail when you stop trying. So if you are saying that you have failed a particular CS attempt or exam, I will say no, you have not, because you are still here with me. You all are still trying. You all are still there to show that yes, you want to do it. So do not call yourself as a failure. If you stop trying the day you close your books and you say, okay, I'm not going to do anything now, it is then only you are going to fail. Until then, you all are super successful and you all are super talented. Think that in your mind, and then only we will be able to achieve things. Okay, so one important thing, if you all see this photographs, the way these kids are happy, this is because they are enjoying what they are doing. So the best strategy to achieve something is to have fun while doing that. Okay, so to enjoy that concepts, to enjoy what you are studying, to enjoy seeing yourself in that post after some years is only going to help you to take towards your goal. Okay, so enjoy what you do. Now how are we going to enjoy? We will do certain type of sessions where we play games and we do certain group discussions, help solve each other's doubts. Okay, so we are going to do all those type of things so that you enjoy while you all are studying, and you are always motivated to do something ahead again. Okay, next is, there are many people on Instagram who follow me and keep asking me that, ma'am, how did you get a rank, and how were you able to do this while you were married and while you were taking care of your family and your child. There are many people who come and ask me that, I have a child, can I go ahead and I do this CS? So now I will tell you one very small and sweet and very motivational story. Okay, there was this one very young fellow who had visited this place where there were monks who were doing meditation. Okay, so he first time saw these monks, and he saw that, oh, these monks are sitting there and doing some kind of a meditation. While he was observing them, there was this one monk who started walking and he crossed the river, okay, on his foot. So this young fellow got a little bit surprised that how did this monk cross the river walking on his feet? In some time, even the second monk got up and even he started walking across the river on his feet, and he didn't drown. So this young fellow started thinking that, okay, let me also meditate. Even I will achieve this kind of goal, where I will walk on the river on my foot. So he started meditating. He meditated for around 5 hours and he started his walk on the river, but in some time he fell down. So he said, let me meditate for 7 hours. So he meditated for 7 hours. He walked again he fell down. He said, okay, now I'll do it for the whole day and with full conviction, and I'm going to have my full energy put into this, and I'm going to keep that mindset, and I'm going to walk. He did it for the whole day. He meditated, and again he started walking on the river, and again he fell down. Now these two monks were sitting on the other side of river and watching him and observing him, and they started laughing. Okay. And while laughing, they said they started talking to each other that should we now tell this boy that where are the stones placed? Okay, so for a person, this might look like a magic that okay, these two monks are walking, it is a magic. But every magic, there is a strategy attached to it. Okay, so you all are supposed to understand that magic is definitely going to happen provided you know the strategy. Okay, so this is a very motivational story. So it always seems to be impossible until you get it done. So even I used to feel that oh, it is very very difficult. How will I give so many papers together? In order to achieve a rank, you're supposed to give all the papers together, both the groups, 3 groups in professional level. I had at that time, and it was always a challenge. Okay, but it is not impossible. If you have decided, you have made a goal for yourself, then it is not going to be impossible. All right, so now we are going to begin with the fun. Okay, we are not going to say let's begin with the class or lecture or concept. No, we are not here for that. We are going to have fun, we are going to discuss. So I am going to now take up your questions, and I'm going to be there answering all of you all. Okay, so we are going to begin one-to-one session over here. For thank you so much for listening to my entire presentation. I hope it has kind of enlightened your goals more. Okay, and I'm going to assure you, if you follow what we are doing, you are going to pass with flying colors. Okay, so that is definitely going to be there. Okay, if you follow what has to be done. Thank you everybody. Bye.